So, you want to create some pipes in Blender. Start by adding a plane. Enter Edit Mode, press M, and choose Merge at Center so you're left with a single point. With that vertex selected, press E to extrude, and continue extruding to define the shape of your pipe. Once your points are in place, press Ctrl-Shift-B to bevel the vertices, and use the mouse wheel to increase the number of segments for smoother curves. Go back to Object Mode, right-click, and choose Convert to Curve. In the Object Data Properties, scroll down to Geometry, and under Bevel, increase the depth and resolution until you're satisfied with the thickness of the pipe. Then right-click and convert it back to a mesh. You can also shade it smooth for better visuals. Enter Edit Mode again, and use Ctrl-R to add loop cuts near the edges. Use Alt to loop select, and Shift-Alt to select multiple loops. Press Ctrl-B to bevel the edges, and use the mouse wheel to decrease the number of segments if needed. Next, press Alt-E and choose Extrude along normals. Then press I to inset faces, followed by Alt-E again to extrude inward, adding more detail to the pipe. Now, let's add some bolts. Go to Edit, Preferences, open Extensions, search for the BoltFactory add-on, install it, and make sure it's enabled. Press Shift-A, go to Mesh, and add a bolt. In the Options panel, set the bit type to Allen and adjust the settings as needed. Scale and position it on your pipe. You can also add another object and change the model to Nut. Then adjust and place it accordingly. Select both objects and press Ctrl-J to join them. Now, select your pipe, go into Edit Mode, and use Alt to loop select the faces where you want the bolts. Press Shift-S and choose Cursor to Selected to place the 3D cursor at the center of that loop. Go back to Object Mode, select the bolt, right-click, and choose Set Origin to 3D Cursor. This ensures the bolt will rotate around that exact center point. Add an Array Modifier to the bolt and enable a circular offset setup. Because the origin is aligned with the 3D cursor, the array will form a perfect circle around the pipe without needing an empty. Increase the count to distribute the bolts evenly, and apply the modifier when you're satisfied. Adjust the bolts so they fit perfectly. Then use Alt-D to create linked duplicates and place them on other joints. Repeat this process a few times, and you are done.